Hello and good morning, friends. It's Tanya with Creations with Tanya, and today I'm still working on my watercolor series with acrylics. Today, though, I am going to be just using pigments, and the next video I'm just going to be using 2 paints, and we'll see the different results. And comment below and let me know what you think of each of these different paintings. So today I will be using all This Little Piggy pigments, and they are Indigo Wave, Watermelon, Lagoon, Blue Eyes, and Venus. And for my cell activator, I'm using Amsterdam titanium white. So I am going to remove the pigments and put down my pillow paint, Glidden Essentials Interior white base paint. And once I'm done all that, I will come back and start the pour. Okay, I've poured my pillow base and it is still a little runny, so let's hope we get the same effects. Usually I let it sit out a little so it thickens up. Just gonna spread these to the edges, just so it gets a good cover of the surface and the paints don't roll over each other. All right, so I'm starting off with Indigo Wave, and there you go. I'm not sure there. Isn't it pretty? And I'm gonna do it just off center here. Watermelon. I feel like the watermelon takes over, so it's not going to be that much. Just a little splash. There we go. Oops. Lagoon. I love this color. It's beautiful. Gorgeous. It's almost the end. Blue Eyes, and last but not least, Venus. I love Venus too, it's so pretty. All right, here we go. And my cell activator, US floetrol and Amsterdam titanium white. Alright. Let's blow this out. One of the lovely ladies in the comment asked me to use one of these on my hair dryer, so I have one, and her suggestion is great, as I feel like it gives more of a directional blow. So cool and on high. right. Wow. Nice. Okay, I am going to just blow a little here because I didn't get it all. Sorry for my head. And hopefully that will bring up a little bit of cells. And then we can stretch it. I think the stretching gives it a more wispy, airy sort of watercolor effect as opposed to the spinning. But spinning's good too. Just gonna give it a couple minutes and then we'll stretch it out. All right, so it sat for about 5 minutes. I cleaned up my area and the cell action came up in the center. So now I'm just gonna sort of stretch the paint in each corner so it's off, and then we'll come back and take a look and see how much paint's left and maybe just do a quick spin out, just to try and get all the excess paint off. And I'll try and keep this in frame for you. Ooh, it's still quite runny. I guess I'll lose that. Blue green, and then back to the center. I am gonna put it, and then I'll just do it this way. Maybe I'll do it this way. It's quite sort of Easter, sort of spring colors. I honestly don't have any yellow colors. All I have is gold. So, I mean, I can always try it with the gold. There we go. And back to the center. Then, oops, this corner. There we go. Come on. And, There's still a little bit of paint, so I guess, what do you guys think? Spin it out now and see. I'm not sure about this stuff over here. I'm hoping that might spin off. Let's give it a spin, see what happens. Nothing. Maybe a little bit harder. There's some paint going off. This is different. I'm not sure what's going on here, but it's kind of funky. Funky. Should I leave this blue here? It's just like all on its own, where then you've got the beautiful Venus and watermelon subtle, right? That stuff is going off there. That's good. There we go, it's almost off. Still dripping. does give a really nice water effect, and I love the cell lacing in here. It's very soft, subtle. Let's see if we can't give it one more spin, and there we go. It's almost all gone. One more. And that's it. Yep. Done. All right, guys. Tell me what you guys think about this. Different color combinations. Maybe there's something else. Needs a little pop, I think. Different in-your-face color. Maybe a purple? Ooh, like funk. I also did get a new Piggy in that I could mix up and try. And it is called Nightingale. Look at that. And that might give it a nice, pop of color. All right. So I will go put it down, scrape the drips, and then I will do a close-up, what happens in the next video for the tube paints. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm excited. All right. Here it is, guys. Let me know what you think. Should I have kept that piece? Who knows? Sorry, shadow. Trying not to get in it, but center. These cells over here are really funky. Anyways, okay, sorry. Hopefully that doesn't make you too sick. So I did a previous painting with these colors, and unfortunately for some reason the most important part of the video got out of focus, and I just didn't want to show you that, but I can show you the results. It's almost dry actually, and I'll show you shortly. What do you think? Can I get in? Sorry for the shadow, it's my light and my camera. Look at that. What? Those cells. And then here. Can't wait for the dried results, and hopefully it doesn't change much.